Mother when he heard the shooting.
There's this guy dressed in all black, wearing a vest, has an assault rifle, and he's just shooting at people.
Ever Romero was there too and saw.
You ain't gonna pay me to go in no motherfucking mall. I'm not going in. I ain't going nowhere with a whole lot of people at, and it's not a whole lot of security. I'm not going in no mall. I shop black on. They stores on the corner.
Many shoppers say they ran inside
My
stores
store express. They got 00. Pop, 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 pop. Shit, you gonna hear another pop, 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 pop before the week is over. It's happening every other day. This is the new norm. Welcome to America, because this is the new norm. It's happening every day. It ain't a damn thing no president can do about it. It's a revolution. People is sick and tired of getting fucked over. All I can say, y'all stay at home.
And then with the victims here,
and build you a playground underneath the ground, because tomorrow it could be your neighborhood. Crime is going from Frisco to Maine, and we ain't seen nothing yet. Welcome to the real world, America. It's a mess. America is a shitty mess. Trump started this shit.